Plants have evolved complex systems to transport water, nutrients, and sugars essential for their growth and survival. Two key processes involved in this transport are transpiration and translocation. Both processes are crucial for maintaining plant health and facilitating various physiological functions. Transpiration is the process by which water is absorbed by plant roots from the soil, transported through the plant, and then evaporated from aerial parts, primarily the leaves. This continuous stream of water movement is driven by several factors and serves multiple functions. Process of transpiration. Water, uptake by roots. Water enters the plant through root hairs by osmosis. The high concentration of solutes in root cells draws water from the soil. Transport through xylem. Water travels upward through the xylem vessels, which are long hollow tubes composed of dead cells. Capillary action, root pressure, and the cohesion tension theory explain this upward movement. Evaporation from leaves. Water evaporates from the mesophyll cells in the leaves and exits through the stomata. Small openings on the leaf surface controlled by guard cells. Functions of transpiration. Cooling the plant. As water evaporates from the leaf surface, it cools the plant, much like sweating cools animals. Nutrient transport. Transpiration helps in the uptake and transport of essential mineral nutrients from the soil to various parts of the plant. Maintaining turgor pressure. The continuous movement of water helps maintain turgor pressure, which is crucial for the structural integrity of plant cells. Factors affecting transpiration. Light. Intensity. More light increases the rate of photosynthesis, causing stomata to open and increase transpiration. Temperature. Higher temperatures increase the rate of water evaporation, leading to higher transpiration rates. Humidity. Lower humidity levels increase the gradient between the inside and outside of the leaf, enhancing transpiration. Wind. Wind removes the boundary layer of humid air around the leaf surface, increasing transpiration. Soil water. Availability. Adequate soil. Moisture is necessary for sustained transpiration. Dry soils can limit water uptake and reduce transpiration. Translocation is the process by which organic nutrients, particularly sugars produced during photosynthesis, are transported from the leaves to other parts of the plant. This movement occurs through the phloem tissue and is essential for distributing energy and nutrients to growing and storage tissues. Process of translocation. Source to sink. Movement. Translocation involves the movement of substances from source regions, where they are produced or stored, to sink regions, where they are used or stored. Common sources include leaves, and common sinks include roots, fruits, and growing shoots. Phloem structure. Phloem consists of sieve, tube elements, and companion cells. Sieve tube elements are long tubular cells that are connected end to end, forming channels for nutrient transport. Companion cells assist with loading and unloading sugars into the sieve tubes. Mechanism of translocation. Pressure flow. Hypothesis. This widely accepted model explains translocation as a process driven by osmotic pressure differences. At the source, sugars, primarily sucrose, are actively loaded into the phloem, increasing the osmotic pressure and drawing water in from the xylem. This creates a high-pressure region. Flow to sink. The high pressure pushes the sugary solution through the sieve tubes towards the sink regions. At the sink, sugars are unloaded for use or storage, reducing osmotic pressure and allowing water to return to the xylem. Functions of translocation. Energy distribution. Translocation distributes the products of photosynthesis, sugars, from the leaves to parts of the plant that need energy for growth, development, and storage. Nutrient recycling. Translocation helps recycle nutrients within the plant, moving essential compounds from older leaves to newer growth areas. Storage. Sugars transported to storage organs like roots, tubers, and seeds can be stored for future use, particularly during periods of low photosynthetic activity. Transpiration and translocation are vital processes in plant physiology, ensuring that water, nutrients, and sugars are efficiently transported to where they are needed most. Transpiration not only facilitates water and nutrient uptake, but also helps in cooling the plant and maintaining turgor pressure. Translocation, on the other hand, ensures the distribution of energy-rich compounds to support growth and development. Understanding these processes highlights the intricate and efficient systems plants use to thrive in their environments.